my channel. So for today's video, we're going to unbox a parcel that I received this morning. So actually, in-order ko to this week lang, and I'm not expecting to have it today. Kaya ito na. Malalaman nyo kung ano siya. So what I have right now is iPhone 12 ProMax. So hindi naman sa akin siya technically, pero let's unbox this. So let's start. I actually ordered it from the network, which is the Vodafone. Meron silang may upgrade promotion. And then may kasama siya sa plan. So yun yung in-avail ko, and it will be paid for 24 months or 2 years. So what's inside the box? So mukhang maganda naman. Baliktad. Again. Hindi, tama pa. So yan. So bakit ito ang nasa ibabaw? Hindi ko alam. Normally is. So what's inside the box? First, of course, the phone. Laki niya, no? Parang more than my palm na nga. So then, as expected, we only have the cable and we don't have the socket. Kasi sabi nga nila, save the earth. So kung ano yung mga old mo, i-keep mo kasi hindi ka na nila bibigyan after. So good thing we still have the sockets. And then they have, of course, the pin kung to open yung slot para sa SIM. And then, of course, yung kanyang standard sticker na never kong nagamit. And then, of course, the manual. So I think that's it. So let's open this one. I'll show you how big is the monitor. If you will see, unang-unang may mapansin mo, may 3 cameras na siya, unlike before. Pero ang laki camera niya. And then the color is graphite. Actually gusto ko yung blue. Ano nga bang tawag sa blue? Basta ang available lang kasi is silver, which is yung mukhang white, and then yung graphite, which is the black color. So yeah, I think that's it for the unboxing. We will try to video again how to set up. So balik tayo. Short comparison lang dun sa aming latest mobile na ginagamit. Ito nga pala is yung iPhone 6s Plus. May kita nyo, hindi naman nagkakalayo yung kanilang size, pero makikita nyo naman yung lapad ng screen nito, edge to edge, and this one, ito lang yung may space niya. So screen wise, napakalaki ng difference. And then if you notice, ang likod nito is purely aluminum. Ito naman is glass. Yan yung magandang ano nyo ngayon. And then, syempre, yung camera, napakalayo. Ito, isa pa lang. Ito, 3 na. So, I think it's about time na magpalit na siya. And then, ang isa nga palang na isang bagay na hindi ko nabanggit kanina is sa box talaga nito, kung na-experience nyo yung dating box ng Apple, hindi siya ganun ka-bulky. Ito, napaka-slim niya kasi ang nasa loob lang nga niya is yung phone, plus yung cable, of course, yung manual, tsaka yung pin sa pagbukas ng SIM. Nawala yung socket, nawala rin yung headset. So, ang sabi nila is the same lang naman siya nung before, ng mga latest, except yung mga iPhone 4. I think that's the first time na nagbago talaga sila ng cable. So yung headset mo, magagamit mo pa rin naman siya dito. Tulad nung pinaka cellphone ko ngayon, which is iPhone X. Same pa naman sila sa kable, sa socket, at sa headset. So if you want, just keep whatever you have right now, kasi kung gusto mo ng bago, kailangan mo ulit bumili kasi pag bumili ka ng isang mobile tulad nito, wala na siyang kasamang headset. Okay, additional review. Makikita niyo yung edge niya is aluminum. Is it mirror or brass finish? So, compare natin dun sa dati. Mas edgy siya ngayon. Unlike dati, may pa-curve pa siya. Tapos yung speaker. So, doble na talaga yung speaker niya. And then, syempre, yung headset, wala na yung isang area doon kasi ang headset niya is same na ng iPhone X. And then, feature-wise sa camera, mas maganda daw yung graphics nito. Color-wise, magiging mas upgraded siya. And then, I think that's it. So, iset up na natin siya. So, first, let's set it up. Kung tama ang pagkakaalam ko, to turn it on, we have this. Ayan, so, buksan natin siya. Okay. First, we have to select the language. English. And then, of course, yung region. Choose your location. So, set up manually. And then, written and spoken languages. So, press continue. Choose a Wi-Fi. So, we will choose our Wi-Fi. And once you input your password, join. And then next. So, data and privacy, you just have to select. And then it will request for your Face ID. Ayan, pag nakita niya yung green check, Face ID is now set up. So, press continue. And then create a password. So, once you finish creating your passcode, next is app and data. So, choose how you want to transfer apps and data in this iPhone. So, what I actually noticed is, very quick na siya ngayon kasi what it will ask is bring your current iPhone or iPad near this iPhone to sign in and set up. So, if your other iPhone or iPad doesn't show options for setting up this phone, make sure it's running iOS 11 or later and has Bluetooth turned on. You can also set up this iPhone manually. So, try mo natin i-set up using the other iPhone. So, nag-preparing siya. Then you have to set up Siri.
Hey Siri.
Then continue. Ask Siri. Press and hold the side button to talk to Siri anytime. So, medyo alobat si old iPhone. Kailangan natin siya i-charge. And then, iPhone Analytics. App Analytics. True Tone Display. So, iset natin yung True Tone Display. Download and install software. Kailangan na siya i-download agad. And then once you enter the passcode, just set agree. And then start na siyang mag-install. as much as possible, keep this iPhone near your new iPhone while information is transferred. So, ngayon pa lang siya nag-start ng pag-transfer. So, while waiting, let's discuss. I just noticed na yung cable niya pala is different from yung dating cable. If you notice, iba na yung, hindi na siya USB port, kundi USB 3 port na siya, which is mas maliit na. So, kung meron kayong iPhone mas luma from 11 below, hindi mo ito magagamit dahil wala sila ipaprovide na socket at ito yung old socket. Pero ang kailangan natin ngayon para sa ating bagong iPhone is something which is USB 3. Ito na yung mas maliit na siya. So good thing, yung iMac natin is compatible or same siya ng size para sa iPhone 12. So hindi ko na kailangan bumili ng bagong socket na tulad ito. Ito na lang yung gagamitin ko. So additional information lang sa mga gusto bumili ng iPhone 12. Make sure na bumili rin kayo ng socket because it's not provided inside the box. Or else you have to wait again until makabili ka ng isang socket kung saan mo siya ma-charge. So, transferring data na siya ngayon. So, yan. Transfer complete. From old iPhone, press continue. And then, I think, maghihintay tayo ulit ng few minutes para ma-set up na yung ating new phone. So, I think the data was transferred and restore completed. Absent data will continue downloading in the background. So, okay, so press continue. Okay, let's press continue. Welcome to iPhone. So, let's start. So, makikita nyo naman kung ano meron ka dito sa old, automatic siya nandun sa new. So, lahat ng settings from your old phone to your new phone will be the same. So, mas handy at mas faster ang pagtatransfer ng data from wallpaper to all the apps. It will automatically transfer to your new phone. So, yan isa sa mga upgrade na ginawa ng Apple ngayon sa kanilang mga bagong mobile. So, I think that's it for today. So, na-set up na natin yung ating phone. So, again, thank you for joining me for today's video. Again, see you on my next video. Bye!